Hi, everybody. This is Steve Maggi from SMA Law Firm. Welcome to Building the Bridge. I have the honor of being here with Cal Patel from FL Patel Law, based in St. Petersburg, Florida. Thanks for joining us, Cal.
Thanks for having me, Steve. Hi, everyone.
Absolutely. A lot of questions come in about incorporation and what are the different corporate entities. We work with foreign clients that come from different legal backgrounds and have different kinds of corporations. And the question always is LLC or C Corp, and maybe, what state should I incorporate in? So what kind of guidance can you give people as a sort of a basic primer on this?
Definitely. That's a great question, Steve. And this is very important to setting up a business, because depending on what state you incorporate in, it'll also impact the licenses and registrations you'll have to do and how much tax you're going to be paying. So, my goal when I work with foreign clients is, one is, in order to figure out which state to form your company in, you need to decide which state you're going to be doing your business operations in, right? And so if you're going to operate a facility in the state of Florida, then it doesn't make sense to incorporate in another state outside of Florida. But if you're, like maybe a virtual business where it's, you don't have any physical offices or anything like that, then you have a lot more freedom in picking which state you want. And so in that situation, you will either want to go with a state that has no income tax and is also business friendly. And so some of these states are, the most common ones are Florida, Delaware, Wyoming, Nevada. And so ideally, I recommend Florida because I'm here, and Florida is a great state to be in, and it's a growing economy. And then once you figure out which state you want to be in, now the second thing is you need to decide what entity you want to be, which is either going to be a LLC or a corporation. And this can get a little bit complex because an LLC is taxed differently than a corporation. And so you definitely need to understand, what your corporate tax obligations are going to be and how to minimize those taxes and how it works. So that's something that, we obviously can't give any guidance over video because it's very unique to each individual client and their business activities.
Of course, yeah, and it's not one size fits all. I see a lot with my international clients. Their perception from the outside the U.S. is LLC always and Delaware always, but that's not always the case, and that's important for people to understand that, right?
Oh, definitely. A lot of times we'll get clients will reach out to us and they say, oh, we set up a company in Delaware, but we don't do anything in Delaware, but we're in Florida. And then now they're, maintaining registrations in both states, and it's just a mess. And then we have to kind of clean it up, and it's just easier to just get it right from the beginning.
Absolutely agree with you. That's why we work together with these foreign clients before they're here and make sure that they're set up correctly. So if someone has questions about where to incorporate, what kind of entity to form, how do they get in touch with you, Cal?
Yeah, so the best way to get in touch with us is going to be going on our website at www.flpatellaw.com and fill out the contact form or use the chat box to schedule a consult with me. We offer free 15-minute consultations to our clients and kind of help them with guidance. And even if they have any questions, just reach out to us and we'll be happy to point you in the right direction.
Fantastic. Thanks for your time, Cal. Appreciate it.
Of course. Thanks, Steve. Bye.